The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Okfuskee County in east-central Oklahoma. Until 10:30 p.m. CDT at 9:36 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Cushing to 2 miles northwest of Seminole, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bristow, Arkema, Sapulpa, Okfuskee, Henrietta, Drumright, Beggs, Bali, Kellyville, Wilitka, Depew, Patton, Bearden, Slick, Castle, Shamrock, Fairview, Okmulgee State Park, Welty, Faro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 212 and 236. Interstate 44 between mile markers 178 and 211. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.